This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for February 28th, 2023. It's currently January 7th, 2023, 10:47 p.m. Eastern Time. My friends, before we get started, please take a moment and watch the video on the rule of karma. It's super important. What we're looking to do is perpetuate good deeds into the world, and the way we do that is by providing as much really it's reliable information for trading, guys. We're not right all the time, so never trade like we're right all the time. Be a smart trader, but this information is definitely valuable. We're giving it away for free. Why? Because I want you to take 5% of the profits that you make from this information and send it out into the world in the form of good deed. Pay it forward. Then send 5% of the profit back to the channel to help us keep on going, guys. We don't invest, we just trade, we just predict, because it allows me to stay unbiased in my opinions. A much higher accuracy when I'm not trading, right? So I do that, but channel's got to survive. We got to eat. We got a team to grow and develop. So 5% back to the channel. Best way to do that, guys, is by going to going to the website tarotfortraders.com. Right here, and click on the resource tab. Send that 5% through PayPal, send that 5% through Cash App, however you want to do it. Much appreciated, and remember all those people. We're actually going to do some shout outs at the end of each month for the people that follow through on the good deeds that are necessary to, if you don't follow through, guys, the universe will stop your profits dead in their tracks. I promise you that. This information isn't for people who aren't willing to do good with it. With that said, guys, let's get into it. The overall theme and behavior, we have a decline that offers an opportunity to open up a long position. The behavior on the highest high, we have erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level, in the midst of which we revisit a crest that was recently a past opportunity. Behavior on the lowest low, we decline to a support level, and then we reestablish support at that support level. I'm advised to trade around the end of a decline marked by a fast sudden move higher, and it looks like we likely opened higher in the pre-market, and then declined. There was a little bit of a rally in the pre-market, and then that rally halted in the pre-market with the sharp decline through a notable support level on a one-day scale. Around the open, we've declined through a support level that was recently declined through once before, and we meet a key support level in that first half hour, a key support level on the scale of at least a one-day chart that increases with bullish momentum as we move forward in time. There's like, it looks like there's a temporary breakout out of that decline. There's like a temporary breakout, probably back up above the support level that we recently broke down through once before, right there around the open. We break down through that, and then there's a breakout through it in like the first 10 minutes. We do sideways rotation that gradually increases in bullish momentum, sideways fluctuations between 10 and 11-ish that precede a decline, and then there's a decline that commences around the 11 o'clock hour. Takes us back to a key support level on the scale of a one-day chart at least. We do sideways rotation there into the midday portion of, and then that sideways rotation ends with a fast sudden move higher and a crest there midday. We successfully turn resistance into support momentarily. It's an opportunity to open up a short position, as well as that breakout first thing in the morning opportunity to open up a short position, because we have a decline off of that temporary establishment of higher support. There's a decline, a sideways fluctuating decline into roughly, let's say, 2 o'clock, where there's a fast sudden move higher out of oversold or near oversold territory on a one-day chart, and that fast sudden move higher is then followed by a notable decline through multiple support levels between the 2 to 3 o'clock hour. A little bit of a crest around 3 o'clock, but I'm advised that there's a notable drop coming, and the day's low is right around the close at a strong support level. However, I am advised to open up protection around the close as well, indicating that we're likely going lower the following day. We'd have to look at March to get into that, and we'll do that pretty soon, guys. If you want to see like this information the soonest it's possible, you can see it on our website, tarotfortraders.com. You sign up for the early access. It's $17 a month, my friends. It's not going to stay $17 a month. Come January 19th, we're raising that to $29 a month. Anybody that has purchased it prior to the rate hike is going to grandfather in that $17 a month for the foreseeable future. So hurry up and get that before you end up having to pay $29 for it, guys. It's well worth more than that. And again, that's the earliest you can see any of the public information that we put out. It's scheduled on YouTube around the same day that it's posted on the website. With that said, guys, follow that rule of karma. Make sure you send that money back and forward and spend it out of love. The universe will send it back to you tenfold in all directions, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in March.